So, babe, where you dey go?
That's it.
Really? So you hear wetin I talk?
Huh?
You hear wetin I talk?
I don't get what you're saying.
Where you dey go?
Where do they go?
No, where you dey go?
Where do they go?
Yes, that's the question. It means you understand it now, right? When I asked you where you dey go, you understood it, right? Where you dey go? Where you dey go?
Where do you?
No, there's no do. Where you dey go?
Where you they go?
That's it. So what did you say? Where did you say you are going? Where you thought say you dey go?
Okay.
Where you thought say you dey go?
Essay.
You dey go essay place. Okay.
Go essay, please.
You say I dey go essay place.
I dare go essay, please.
Place. I dey go essay place.
I do go essay, place.
Yeah, that's it.